According to reports, Infosys has allowed external gigs. Yes, they have allowed their employees to work on external gigs. This is the video about this particular news. Very important video. Do watch this till the end. Few days ago, as we know, some companies had fired employees because they were working on two different employments at the same time, better known as moonlighting. People were fired because they were working secretly for another employer, and companies were really not happy, and they're still not happy with people working full time on two different employments, which puts their business at risk or which exposes their client interests, or there are certain confidentiality issues as well. So companies are still not on for moonlighting. Moonlighting, they're saying, is a big no-no, but Infosys has taken a very good step today, according to reports on LiveMint, that they are allowing their employees to work on external gigs, which means if the employees seek approval from their manager and also from the HR, then they can work on an external gig, which means it can be a very short-term assignment outside Infosys, which is not going to hamper Infosys business or Infosys's client's business in any way. So this is really a welcome news according to me, because even today, no company has any idea of what their employees are doing outside the working hours. And even if it is not full-time employment, I'm sure a lot of people are already working on external gigs or freelancing assignments, because after COVID and after this demonetization, lot of transactions financially are happening over the internet, and lot of work is happening on Zoom meetings, etc, etc. So I think it's a very welcome move from Infosys, and a lot of companies will now adopt it. Of course, there will be restrictions with respect to what one person can do, what kind of approvals are required. But I think this is a solid move. This will not only help employees to generate side income, it will also ensure that employees are happy with the flexibility, and they would love to work for such companies which provide them such kind of flexibility, and this will help companies to retain employees for a longer time. And according to reports, Infosys was already allowing employees to work on internal gigs, which means within the company, if there was an opportunity for an employee to work on something else along with their main project, it was already allowed, and there was a process which was working internally very well. But now this is a huge change. This is, I think, a mind shift change, wherein they're allowing employees to work on external gigs as well. And if a company like Infosys at that scale allows this to happen, of course within a process, then I think it is going to set a new trend which the industry can actually follow. While companies will still be against full-time moonlighting, but if you allow your employees to be themselves outside the working hours, then there is nothing like it. Alright, so this is the message I wanted to pass in today's video. I hope you liked this. Do give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and comments. If you're working for Infosys, we would definitely like to know if this is real news, and what are your thoughts about it. How would you like to use it in future? Do subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. It will definitely help this channel grow as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye for now.